Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Still on Senior School Certificate Examination 2025 NECO General Mathematics Paper 2. With us here is question 3A and 3B. Let's consider this question. Question 3A reads, the volume of a cone is 565.7 centimeter cube. If the cone is 15 centimeter high, find its base radius correct to the nearest whole number. And we are asked to take pi to be 22 by 7. Let's consider this 3a. Solution to 3a. Of course, this is from measuration of solid shapes. Volume of a cone is given, and volume of a cone V is nothing but 1/3 that of a cylinder. That's r pi r square h. We know our V from the question as 565.7. 1/3 times the pi, 22 by 7, multiplied by the radius, then multiplied by the vertical height, which is 15 cm. So let's find r. This will be 565.7 will be 22 times 15, that will be 330 r square divided by 21. Then we can cross multiply. 330 r square will be, we multiply 565.7 by 21, we have 11879.1.7. Let's do it again. 21 multiplied by 565.7, that will be 11879.7. So we divide both sides by 330. What will be our r square divided by 330? We have 35.9991. So to find r, we take the square root of both sides and we leave our answer to the nearest whole number. Very important. Let's clean here. Then r now will be the square root of 35.991. r now will be the square root of 35.991 to be 5.999 let me write it all, 25 centimeter. To the nearest whole number now, of course, it will be 6 centimeter. So r approximately is 6 centimeter. So this is said to be the solution to 3a, 6 centimeter, because the unit from the question is in centimeter. Let's move to 3b quickly. 3b, let's read the question. The question said the first, second, and the last terms of an arithmetic progression AP are 1, 4 divide 3, and 3 whole number 2 divide 3, respectively. We are asked to find the number of terms in the AP. So this is from sequences and series, and this is under arithmetic progression. First term, that's T1, is given as 1. T2, which is the second term, is 4 out of 3. Then the last term is given as 3 whole number 2 divide 3, which is 11 divided by 3. Let's find the common difference here. The common difference D now will be T2 minus T1. And that will be T2 is 4 out of 3 minus 1. Let's find the LCM. 3 into 3 is 1 times 4, that will be 4, minus 1 into 3 is 3 times 3, that will be 3. So 4 minus 3 will be 1 out of 3. So our common difference D is 1 out of 3. So the nth term of AP, when the last term is given, the nth term of AP, when the last term is given as the last term now will be A, which is the first term, into n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Very important. We are looking for n. Let's clean here so that we can find n now. Given that the last term is 11 out of 3, so we have 11 out of 3 will be equals to our A is 1 plus n minus 1, and the common difference is 1 out of 3. So 11 by 3 will be 1 plus, we distribute this 1/3 to this 1 over 3 divided by, multiplied by n, that will be n divided by 3. minus 1 out of 3. So the LCM is 3. Let's multiply through by 3. Since the LCM is 3, very important, the LCM is 3. Multiply each term by 3. That will be 11 out of 3 times 3 will be equals to 1 times 3 plus n out of 3 times 3 minus 1 out of 3 times 3. So this will divide this, we are left with 11 will be equals to 3 times 1, 3 plus. This will divide this, we are left with n minus this will divide this, we are left with 1. Our m is to find n. This will be 11 will be equals to 3 minus 1, of course, is 2 plus n. We collect like times. This will be 11, this plus, crossing this equal sign, it will be minus, minus 2 equal n. n now will be equals to 11 minus 2, of course, is 9. So the number of times is nothing but 9. So we deduce or we conclude that the number of times is 9. The numbers of times in the AP is 9. So we have 9 tens. This is said to be the solution to these 3A and B. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart's Clinic for more interesting videos. See you in my next video with question 4 and 5 respectively.